Hi guys, today we're going to work on fractions of fractions, and this lesson is super fun. It's one of my favorites. So what we do is we start out with just a box. Okay, for everyone, today we're going to draw a picture. Alright, so let's say our first problem is 1/3 of 1/2. So what that means is first we're going to start by breaking our picture into thirds. I'm going to break it this way into thirds. Alright, and if we look at how many thirds we have, it's just one. So I'm going to shade in one of those thirds all the way. Okay, the next step is to look at our other fraction, which is 1/2. To solve 1/2, I'm just going to break it the opposite way. I'm not going to break it this way. I'm going to break it the opposite way. And I'm going to shade in that whole half. Now to get our solution, we have to look at how many boxes have yellow and blue in them both. So this box has yellow and blue. This box has just blue, so that one doesn't count. This box has just blue, so that one doesn't count. This box has just yellow, so that one doesn't count. This one has nothing, so that doesn't count. And this one has nothing, so that doesn't count. Okay, so how many boxes have both blue and yellow? Just this guy, just one. So that becomes our numerator. Now our denominator is how many boxes have both colored, or how many boxes we have total, I'm sorry. So right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total boxes, so 6 is our denominator. So 1/3 of 1/2 is equal to 1/6. Alright, 2/3 of 1/4. So first I'm going to break it into thirds. Either way, it doesn't matter which. I'm going to shade in 2 of those because that's my numerator. So there's 1/3, 2/3. Next I'm going to break it into fourths the opposite way. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. And on this side I'm going to shade in 1/4. Now this might get a little confusing. I have to shade in all the way across because that's 1/4. Okay, I can't just shade in one box. Now to find the solution, we have to count how many have both blue and yellow. This one has blue and yellow. This one has blue and yellow. The rest of them have blue or yellow, but not both colors. So we can only count them if they have both colors. Okay, since there was 2 that had blue and yellow, that's our top number. Our bottom number is the total of boxes, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 total boxes, so our denominator is 12. Guys, I think you'll pick up on this one pretty fast, so I'm just going to do one more example. Start with our box. Let's do 1/5 of 3/4. Actually, no, I want to change that. Let's do 2/5 of 3/4. Alright, so the first I'm going to break it into fifths. I'm going to break it this way just so I have a little bit more room. And I'm going to shade in 2 of them because that's my top number. So there's 1, 2 of my fifths shaded in. Now the opposite way, I'm going to break it into fourths. Oh man, my boxes are going to get tiny. And I have to shade in 3 of those because that's my numerator. So there's 1, 2, 3. Okay, now for the answer, I have to count how many have blue and yellow, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my numerator is 6. My denominator is how many total boxes. Well, I have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So my bottom number is 20. Good luck, guys.